Main floor of Lviv station.
Okay, I've arrived in Lviv train station. I'm on my way to a shelter, so we're going to exit the station and head straight to the shelter.
Platform number 4.
It's September 5th, around 4:23, and the temperature is let's see if they have a temperature for us. No, it's not displaying the temperature for us. It's around 20 degrees centigrade.
Warm September day.
It's a nice sunny day here in Lviv, and we're exiting the train station now. And we're going to go on a footbridge and exit into the main city area. Usually these bridges are a lot closer to the train station itself. This one's quite a ways out. And I think because of that, I'm going to cross here because it might be my last chance to cross. I don't think foot traffic can go any further on this platform. Some locals are coming into the station via the bridge.
Дякую.
I didn't expect this much foot traffic here. There's more foot traffic than I expected, so bear with me. All right, here we are to the footbridge. Like I say, quite a ways off the beaten track from the train station. Mainly electric trains here. I think I have seen a few diesel engines while I've been here, but I would say 96% is electric. There goes an old diesel. I can see it smoking as it goes. All right, well, we did spot a diesel engine. That's, like I say, that's a rarity. And here comes one coming back. Well, maybe they're not that rare as far as cargo freight and stuff like that, but the majority of the passenger train engines are electric. And here's some green space that you normally don't see.
Soon we will cut to the shelter. Stay tuned.
Now this bridge forks here, and instead of going that way, we're going to go the other way because we've already been that way. Okay, I'm doing a little filming for our volunteer organization here.
Yeah, this is shelter.
Shelter for refugees?
Yes.
Okay.
So, when will you depart to US?
Me?
Yeah.
Not until November. Alright, this is a large auxiliary footbridge. I don't know where it goes, so we'll just follow her till it ends, I guess. Today I'm shooting with a GoPro 8. I have it set on 30 frames a second. Yeah, we got a couple diesel engines here just moving cars around. There's one moving a couple of cars. So if you got off the train in Lviv and you wanted to head straight into the countryside, this would be the path you take. Between this bridge and the rest of the city is a wall, and between that is all these trees, so it's kind of guaranteed green space here.